Friends, this is Rajiv Shivraman. So today I am going to cover a very important topic. Topic है थर्ड पार्टी मेंटेनेंस इन एलिवेटर इंडस्ट्री. अब ये थर्ड पार्टी मेंटेनेंस होता क्या है? आई लेट यू नो. देयर आर सो मेनी इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स आर देयर हु आर ऑपरेटिंग इन इंडिया. जैसे आपको ओटिस हो गया, कोने हो गया, शिंडलर हो गया, मित्सुबिशी हो गया, हिताची हो गई, तोशिबा हो गया, थिसन ग्रुप हो गया, जॉनसन हो गया. सो मेनी कंपनीज आर देयर. Apart from that, there are few good Indian companies are there, and there are plethora of other companies are there in this industry. So normally what happens, many times, whether it's a house owner or whether it's a factory, whether it's a commercial building, whether it's a mall, whether it's a residential building, many times people, they want to go for some third party maintenance company. There are two reasons for that. Reason number one, कि वो जो प्रेजेंट एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी है उनके सर्विसेज से दे आर नॉट हैप्पी. पॉइंट नंबर टू, दे आर नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद द प्राइस. ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम उनका प्राइस इतना ज़्यादा हो चुका होता है, देन इट हैज़ बिकम ए वेरी मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट इन द ओवरऑल सर्विस एक्सपेंसेस व्हाट दैट सोसाइटी और व्हाट दैट प्रेमाइसेस इज हैविंग. तो देन दैट दे try to go for some third party maintenance just to save cost. As I said, if they are not happy, that is another reason. But the important thing is, before you go for a third party maintenance company, I would say there are maybe few companies are there who are good at it, but maximum companies, I would say my last 3 years of research says maximum companies, they are not good in third party maintenance. There are few companies are there who are good, but maximum companies are not good. Right? They do maintenance 1 or 2 years and they disappear. They make money the moment they find कि अब इससे प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ गई हैं लिफ्ट्स में. अब जो है now they have to listen from the customer. Now challenges has gone up, so they disappear. All of a sudden they disappear in thin air. अब वो मिलेंगे नहीं, उनके फोन स्विच ऑफ हो जाएंगे, उनके एड्रेस चेंज हो जाएंगे, कंपनी नेम विल गेट चेंज्ड. This is my research, what I've done in last 3 years and found, which I'm sharing you. So before you go for third party maintenance, there is no harm. You can go for a third party maintenance, definitely to save money, right? Because over the time with international brand the price has gone up so much, so there is no harm in going. But before you go, it is very important to just analyze. So today I'm going to tell you 5 important points which you keep it in mind, you will end up with a good third party maintenance company. So point number 1, you have to check whether that company is honest, whether that company is reliable, whether the company is trustworthy. For that you have to do a little bit research, right? You have to spend some time. You have to find whether that company has the required experience, whether the people who are running the company, they do have the industry experience, they have elevator experience, या just कोई ऐसे भी आके just start कर रहा है without any background, without any experience, without any knowledge. So it is very important whether they have the required experience, required skill sets, industry experience, knowledge. Do they understand quality, safety, audits? So these points are very important. Point number 2 is, एक एलिवेटर को सर्विस करने में कितना समय लगता है, थोड़ा सा आपको एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. एक नॉर्मल एक एलिवेटर को सर्विस करने में इट कैन टेक फ्रॉम 1 hour to 3 hours, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ मेनी फ्लोर्स आर देयर. 4 फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग है, 30 फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग है, 50 फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग है, 100 फ्लोर्स की बिल्डिंग है. देयर आर बिल्डिंग इन मुंबई एंड अदर मुंबई वेयर number of floors are more than 50, 60, 100. Now in Delhi NCR also there are so many buildings are there which are 35 floors, 30 floors. No, few buildings are coming up which is 60 floors, 80 floors. So basically it all depends how many floors are there, because during service you have to service and you have to go each and every door at landing. You have to check the safety, you have to check the contacts, you have to do the cleaning. It all depends on that. And there are so many other parameters there are so many other checklists are there which I can share you anytime if you wish. So that is another very important point which you need to check with these companies before you finalize any third party maintenance. Ask these questions. You should know. Important thing is, why I'm doing these things, because why I'm educating people about elevator, because this is my giving back to the industry. I worked for this industry for almost 20 years. I worked with 3 big multinational companies. So this is my giving back to the elevator industry. You should be aware. You should not end up with wrong people, because I have seen this in the last 3 years. So many people end up with wrong company, with wrong people, and I would say somewhere the customer is also responsible for that. Okay, there are cheats are there in the industry. They do such things for their short term gain, but somewhere the customer is also responsible for that. They just go by the price. Sometimes they just go by the price without checking the background. Point number 3 is, your elevator is serviced how many times in a year? The frequency of service. You should know about that, कि साल में कितनी बार आपकी लिफ्ट सर्विस हो रही है. You should also check that how many times, what is their callback, right? What is the definition of callback? The definition of the callback is, on an average, one elevator, how many times going into breakdown in a year. That is the definition of callback. So you need to check, you need to ask them. So point number 4 is, the service logbook is maintained. जो ब्रेकडाउन्स होते हैं उसका रिकॉर्ड रखा जाता है कि नहीं, उसका लॉगबुक मेंटेन होता है कि, जो पार्ट्स चेंज होते हैं उसको मेंटेन किया जाता नहीं, उसको लॉगबुक में कहीं लिखा जाता है कि नहीं. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू नीड टू चेक. यू शुड बी अवेयर. अगर आप किसी के साथ ऑलरेडी मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में है, यू कैन चेक विद देम ऑल्सो दिस द सेम थिंग, बिकॉज मैनी टाइम्स आई फाउंड दैट द सर्विस टेक्नीशियन कम्स एंड दे डू द सर्विस इन 10 मिनट्स और कस्टमर से सिग्नेचर लेके चले जाते हैं. इट मीन्स 10 मिनट में कोई लिफ्ट सर्विस होती नहीं है. इट मीन्स दे हैव नॉट डन द सर्विस. एज सिंपल एज दैट. खाना पूर्ति करके गए हैं वो, राइट. पॉइंट नंबर 5, जो आपकी थर्ड पार्टी मेंटेनेंस कंपनी है, आर दे डूइंग सेफ्टी ऑडिट एंड क्वालिटी ऑडिट ऑन अ पीरियोडिक बेसिस? This is very important, and I'll tell you from my experience. As I told you earlier also, I worked almost 22 years with elevator companies. Maximum companies, they don't do safety and quality audit on a regular basis. Maintenance people do, attend breakdowns, all those things they do. So it is very important, any company which is doing a servicing, there should be a safety and quality audit also, and it should not be done by the same service technician and engineer who is doing the service. It should be done by a separate person within the organization, or he or she can be from outside organization also. There is no harm in that. So I hope these points are going to help you, and I have covered 5 very, very important points, right? So I request you to share this video to maximum people. Share it in your contact sphere, like the video, subscribe to our channel and spread it. It is definitely going to help everybody. Thank you very much.